how to install Firefox browser on Windows 10 or Windows 11. To download Firefox browser on your computer, first open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on your computer and then search for Firefox in the Google search bar. Open the first website, mozilla.org. Now click on the Download Firefox button in the top right corner. Once you click on it, Firefox installer file starts downloading automatically, but if it doesn't, click on Try downloading again. Once downloaded, right-click on the installer file and then click on Run as Administrator. As you can see, Firefox browser has started downloading and installing. If you want to pin the Firefox browser to the taskbar, check the Pin Firefox to Taskbar option, otherwise uncheck it. And if you want to set Firefox browser as default browser, then check Set Firefox as default browser. Uncheck Import from previous browser, and then click on Save and Continue. If you get the notification, would you like to pin Firefox to your taskbar? Then click on Yes. Click on Skip this step. Again, click on Skip this step. Now click on Start Browsing. As you can see, Firefox browser is installed and running on our computer. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.